Now, in aromatic halide, we have seen this much topic, nucleophilic substitution reaction. In that, we have seen that this question, why haloarenes are less reactive, that we discussed. Then, presence of electron withdrawing group in Dow process, that we discussed Dow process also. Then we discussed ortho, meta and para position comparison, which one is more reactive and which one is less reactive. That much topic we have seen here. Now, electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, note that this topic is cancelled out from your syllabus, but it is in your 11th standard syllabus, so they can ask question from this topic also. So let's just revise it. It is important. Do not omit it. It is important topic. Here's the first electrophilic reaction, halogenation. Now, this one is our starting material, chlorobenzene. Okay. Now, when it reacts with Cl2 in presence of FeCl3 catalyst, now what it will give? It will give two products. These two products. Now, why it is giving two products here? Because this Cl group is ortho-para directing group. Again, this Cl group is ortho-para directing group. So, newly entering group means Cl will enter on ortho position as well as para position. So, it is chlorobenzene and para chlorobenzene. These two products we will get. Now, second reaction, that is sulfonation reaction. Now, what is sulfonation? In that, we are going to enter this group, SO3H group. So, this is our starting material, Cl. When it reacts with concentrated H2SO4, it can give two products. SO3H group will enter on ortho position as well as on para position. So these two products we can get. This one is benzene sulfonic acid and on ortho position it is chlorine. So it is orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid. This one is parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Now, third reaction, that is nitration reaction. Now, in that, we are going to enter NO2 group. So, let's take starting material, chlorobenzene. When it reacts with concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4, this is the reagent for nitration reaction. So, nitro group will enter on ortho position as well as on para position. So, this one is ortho nitrochlorobenzene. This one is para-nitrochlorobenzene. Fourth reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now in that two reactions are there, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is our starting material. Two reactions are there, alkylation and acylation. Okay, now suppose we want to enter ethyl group in the starting material. Ethyl group means CH3, CH2 group. If I want to enter this group into starting material, I have to take this starting material, just add chlorine in it. Now, catalyst is FeCl3, or you can take AlCl3, but that must be anhydrous. Anhydrous means free from moisture. So product will be ethyl group will enter on ortho position as well as on para position. Now in acylation reaction, we want to enter CH3CO group in the starting material. So what will happen here? CH3CO that we want to enter, so add Cl into it. This is our reagent, and the catalyst is same here, FeCl3 or AlCl3, that too in anhydrous form. Anhydrous means free from moisture. If we take that as catalyst, the product will be like this. COCH3 will enter on ortho position as well as on para position. This is our product.